If your Mazda CX-5 USB port keeps dropping your phone connection, you are not alone. Data shows that the vast majority of these intermittent connection issues are actually caused by low quality or damaged charging cables. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by ruling out the simple culprits like a bad cable or debris inside the port. If the basics check out, the issue might be internal to the USB hub module itself. Sometimes the issue is software related within the connectivity master unit. You can handle most issues at home, but module replacement requires professional tools. A new cable costs next to nothing, while a full module replacement can range up to $150. If you are brave enough to dig into the console, always disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts. Keep a basic trim removal kit handy to avoid damaging your interior plastics. Remember, the most obvious solution is often the right one. Try these steps today and get back to your music without the headache.